Good morning and welcome to the Savi boardroom here in London. My name is Miles Zekas and it's the 31st of March 2011. What we're going to do is go through a quick roundup of what's been happening in the financial markets, and then we're going to take a quick look at the day ahead. Guidance says supports reform of the currency composition in SDR. He also says the inconsistency in the FX rate policy is the biggest problem. Guidance is also committed to reducing the US deficit and the GDP to 3%. UK March consumer confidence mired in doldrums, it's GFK NOP. And the UK house price posted the biggest year-on-year fall since October 2009. That was from Home Track. Binny Smaggy says the ECB will raise rates in a gradual way first. Bulletin says that the Fed could end asset purchase of 100 billion, shy of the 600 billion total. The Fed may not wait for uncertainties to end before normalising. That's Bulletin comment again. Honig says his call to hike funds rate to 1% is not real tightening. He also says that a more neutral policy rate should be above 2%. The Japan March PMI tumbled to two-year low of 46.4 from 52.9 in February. And Japan's February overtime pay was plus 3.5% year on year, and that's up 14th straight month in a row. The Bank of Japan is to lower the view on economy and the next policy meeting, that's Yomiuri. And the radioactivity in the seawater near Fukushima plant was 4,385 times the normal levels. Australian February retail sales rose 0.5% month on month versus a 0.4% consensus. The Australian February building approvals fell minus 7.4% month on month versus a 4% forecast. And the Australian February private sector credit rose 0.5% month on month versus a 0.3% for January. And in Brazil, the central bank said it would hold the long-term interest rate at 6% for Q2. And in South Korea, it says the economy is to regain momentum from March. The yuan convertibility will be gradual and need capital controls as a central bank advisor. And the yuan needs to be fully convertible to be in the SDR as a People's Bank of China advisor. And finally in Libya, the foreign minister defects and arrives in Britain. Okay, now looking at the day ahead, we've got a good amount of euro data out today at 9 o'clock, with the main focus on the CPI, with the market expecting a value of 2.4%. Followed later, we have the Canadian GDP figure at 12:30, and then there's quite a fair amount of US data later on in the day. The main focus is the US factory orders at 2 o'clock, and the market's expecting a 0.5% read. That is it from us here at Savi. I hope you have a good day and good luck trading.